think we're gonna make pretty good money from this bundle here.
I think I'm gonna get pretty much good happiness from this.
Hello everybody, it is Sunday and we are gonna go into a thrift store that we have not been in a very long time. Their prices are usually a little high, but we've heard lots of stories of people finding good stuff here. What place is it?
Savers.
Savers, that's right, Savers. Similar to Goodwill, not too great most of the time, at least this one in our area. But we're gonna give it a shot. It's probably been at least, what, 6 months since we've been here, I would say?
More.
Yeah, if not more. It's been quite a while. But we have found some stuff out of this store before, so we're gonna give it a shot. Maybe we can find something. Let's go. Get it. Get it. By the way, guys, if you're new to the channel, me and my wife Pam, I'm Ryan. How you doing?
Hi.
We go on all kinds of different adventures, looking for stuff that's cheap to resell for a profit online. If you're interested in that, then maybe you're in the right place. Check this out.
Ooh.
Blue Hats of Bravery. Highway Hero. Edition 7 of 12/13, 1997.
You like that?
$5. Let's get it. I think that'll do well. What you
The
find?
candle in there and then the eyes will glow. It's like Ketone. Because Ketone has yellow eyes.
It's actually very cool. You
I
wanna
like
get it?
Yeah.
You wanna get it? Okay. We'll keep it for ourselves.
That's awesome.
That is really cool.
I'm gonna get this lit tonight.
When we get home, light it with a candle. You can see what it
Go
looks
into
like.
a dark room.
Yeah. Oh, Pam got a basket. She's collecting. What is this? What
I
else
don't
did you
know,
get?
I like him.
What is it? Is it a
I
raccoon?
think it's a raccoon and he goes with the decorateur. Black,
He's pretty
white,
cute.
and he can go.
It's got a TJ Maxx sticker on it.
I'm gonna hope we get a discount.
Pam's buying stuff for herself.
My baby.
Gonna be in the red here. All right. Hey, look. Look at this. $1.99 for a big bundle of blank media.
It can
Score.
go next to raccoon.
Score. Cameras. Sometimes you can find decent ones. Most of them are always junk. But
Ice
you
cream
never know.
maker.
What is it?
An ice cream maker.
Ooh. It's open though.
Yeah, no.
I'm gonna pass on that if it's used.
But it gives me ideas.
It does.
But I want ice cream. Oh, here's another.
There's another one. 20 bucks. Ooh. Look at this bundle. $1.99, baby. I think this is good. Ooh. Yep. Just the Simon thing's going for over $20. And there's other stuff in this bundle and it's only $1.99.
Raccoon.
Alright, what do you think? I think we got a bundle of good stuff. Ready?
I like this jam.
You like this jam? Pam. I think we're gonna make pretty good money from this bundle here.
I think I'm gonna get pretty much good happiness from this.
Yeah.
Priceless happiness. And this guy.
I think it was a success this time. It's been a while. I'm glad we came back here.
Me too. Let's go get food.
Okay, so that was a success. Actually, I was not expecting that, but it was pretty good. Pam's excited about her finds. We'll show you everything when we get home. Oh, we're gonna get out of this wind. It is windy outside. It's cold too. Oof.
It wouldn't be cold if it wasn't for the wind.
Yeah, there you go. Motorcycle man. All right, guys, so we're back home. It is Sunday evening now. We've been doing some work, been kind of hanging out and doing some work. I was in our little eBay room here. This is our room where we have all our stuff that we sell, and Pam did a good job. This place was really a disaster. She cleaned it up a little bit. Still have a giant mess of stuff that is completely unlisted. So we have a lot of work cut out for us. I'm working on listing some shoes right now. We got some pretty good stuff at the Thrift this weekend. I was actually really surprised that we found some stuff. Usually, especially at Savers and Goodwill, we don't have a whole lot of luck. So we did find some good stuff. We'll probably gross maybe $100 or so on everything we bought. We spent $15, and a couple things that we bought are stuff that we're just gonna keep for ourselves. So keep that in mind too. So it was a decent little trip to the thrift store. We were there for maybe, you know, 15 minutes, and we found some decent stuff to flip for a profit. Pam found this cool little candle.
It needs to be dark.
It needs to be dark. Look at him. It's a cat face.
It doesn't glow that much.
It doesn't glow that much. But here, put it down like this. Yeah, it's kind of hard to tell. But that is a cat's face, and the eyes glow. It's really cool.
Well, you're supposed to have the candle. I guess I have to get a real candle. This might just be too tall.
Yeah.
But
does it look like you? It looks like
Kitan. Because Kitan, he has yellow eyes.
Yeah.
But Kimmy's like, which one's Kitan? I don't even know.
So Pam bought that, and she also got something else for her. That's actually sitting up on our mantle as well. Show them the other thing you got.
It's on the other side.
Look at, she put her glasses on.
What?
We originally thought this was a raccoon, but I think it's a fox, because he's got the little bushy tail there.
What
But
does a fox
he's pretty
do?
cool. She put him on top of my Xbox.
Yeah, because I'm watching you, boo.
She likes it. I think it is cool.
I think
What did we get that for? Like $2, $2.50 or something?
Yeah, they
$2.99.
had it, originally the sticker said $7.99, but it was from TJ Maxx.
Yeah, it was a TJ Maxx sticker. It wasn't even a...
And then they did a price check, and it was like $2.99.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So
kinda cute.
it was a good deal nonetheless. So the rest of the stuff we picked up here,
No, you were-
just a few more things. We got a bunch of blank media, and oh yeah? We spent $1.99 on all this blank media, which is really awesome. I'll probably just bundle them up by the type, and I don't know, we probably can make maybe 20 bucks on this here. It won't be too bad. Definitely a good pickup, a good find. Now, a lot of times in Savers, I don't know if you guys saw in the video, but they have a whole bunch of like baggies that they hang up on walls, and there's all kinds of stuff that you can find in there. And sometimes the good stuff's hidden behind. That's where we found most of this stuff, hidden in the back. It's not sitting right out front. So if you dig through those little baggies, sometimes you can find some good stuff. And the little baggy bundles are usually really well priced. So that's where we found all this. Then we also have like a little toy bundle that I found in the toy section. Now this doesn't look like anything super spectacular, but this I couldn't find on eBay. I don't think this is worth a whole lot. Look at the original price, $2.99. This might just be like a little donate thing anyway. But I mostly bought it for this right here. This little mini Simon keychain game. I was surprised with comps on eBay for this thing. It is brand new sealed, and it's going, the original price on it is $12.99. There's still an original sticker on there. To my surprise, it's going online for about $25 shipped, $20 to $25 shipped. So that's pretty good. We paid, what did we pay? $1.99 for this toy bundle as well. I believe it was $1.99. Maybe it was $3.99. I can't remember. Anyway, you guys probably saw it in the video. And then also we got this Scrabble Flash game here. And I'm not really sure how this works, but they're like little screens. I looked these up as well on eBay, and they're selling for like around, I don't know, $10 to $15. So they're pretty cool. They do need to be tested. None of them work, so they probably need some batteries or something. But they are cool. I'm not really sure how they work, but Scrabble Flash, whatever it is. We'll have to do some research, figure that out. And then finally, we found this little motorcycle guy here hanging on the, well, it was sitting on a shelf right as we walked in. The price was only $4.99, and it is a Blue Hats of Bravery Highway Hero figure. And some of these things can go for a decent amount of money on eBay. I was looking at a bunch of different models of them. There's none of this particular one listed. However, there has been a couple that have recently sold, so that's good. I'll be the only one in the market that has it listed on eBay. But this is 7 of 1,213 of these made, and it's vintage. It was made in 1997, and it's in excellent condition considering that it has some very fragile pieces to it. You know, I get the antenna here, and then these little side view mirrors. They're really fragile. So when it does end up selling, a little bit of a challenging pack job to make sure that it arrives to the buyer safely. But I did look up these on eBay. Like I said, a couple of them have recently sold. One sold for $45, and then another one sold, they took a best offer. They had it listed for $64.99 plus shipping, and they took a best offer. I'm not sure what the best offer was they took, but my guess is that I can probably get anywhere from $45 to $60 for this. So definitely a good pickup. And for $5, can't beat that.
Who saw that?
You saw that. Good job.
Always on that.
You're always on the lookout for the good stuff, right?
No, I'm always on the lookout for the popos.
For the popos.
Because you never know when you gotta run.
We just got home and there's a package at the door for Pam.
My house is a mess. Don't judge it. Uncle Lonnie. I'm gonna say this was packaged very nicely. Very professional, like it's been done before.
I think he's mailed a few packages in his day.
I don't even know if taking that tape off helped.
It's probably like get the seal for the priority mail. Yeah. Rip it.
Show me the muscles. What is it? It's a bag. Oh,
What's it say?
It has a note.
What's it say?
Pam, this is an actual team issued jersey. Oh,
What?
from 1984. No player wore that. So there's.
What? That is pretty cool.
Lonnie's making
Hope
my
it fits you.
clothes
Hey
pop.
Ryan, Happy New Year, Lonnie.
I'm also weak. Oh!
Whoa. That is awesome.
I gotta wear this.
Holy
How do I get this
cow.
on me?
That is so cool.
How does he do it?
This is an actual team issued jersey from 1980. No player wore that number that year. So this is a... Wow. That is sweet.
Hey, just saying, now a player's worn that.
That is so cool.
This is awesome.
No way. Thank you, Lonnie. I really appreciate
Thank
that.
you
That is
so
so
much.
cool. Let's see what this says. It says Wilson machine. This is nuts, dude.
I'm never
What's the
gonna wash
84
this.
mean? It says 84 and then it has a 38, but the number is, it's 29, right? Yeah.
I'm
That
never
is
gonna wash
awesome.
this.
Yeah.
Thank
you, Lonnie.
so
we love
much,
it. That is
Lonnie.
so cool.
No, it's
even
mine.
though it's for Pam, I love it too.
Yeah, that's right. You can love it from a distance.
That is
I gotta go find
sweet.
your...
Oh, I figured it out.
Your
The 84
baseball
means
pants.
the year. 84 means the year.
Oh.
So it's from 1984. Because he wrote, from 1984, no player wore that number that year.
It means it's been waiting for me since 1984. Where are your pants that we're gonna donate? Did we
I don't know.
donate them
I
yet?
don't know. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. We really do appreciate it. If you get a chance, hit the thumbs up button. We'd really appreciate that as well. And if you're new to the channel and you're interested in seeing any of our other videos, they are linked down below in the description under a binge playlist. So you can just binge watch all our videos that we put out over the past year because we've been doing YouTube for about a year now. So have a great day, everybody. We will see you guys later.
Can I
And
test this?
bye. Yeah, you can test it.
Yeah? How do I make it?
I don't know. I think you gotta remove the tab in the back.
I don't think we should do that though because it's gonna depreciate the value.
Okay, well, say bye to everybody then.
Bye, you crazy little dreamers, and maybe you'll be able to find out a way how to test things in a package. Because I want to. Let me know.